Hello everyone. Look, I'm came again our village paddy field. Now it's very difficult time because farmer cannot find any labor. So our local brother working here. You look just. I'm came in the field. Oh my God! It's so clay and water. It's time to very hard because it's here have a lot of water. You just see a lot of water. Actually, this field is our Nadim brother. Look at brother. How many land you have? 4 acre? 4 acre. 4 acre means so much because 1 acre equal to it's a 100 শতাংশ. So 1 শতাংশ equal to 435.6 square feet. So just imagine how many 4 acres someone how many square feet land has. You just is our local brother. You see, it's a don't find any labor. So working our local brother. So it's so they are very helpful. And you look, I am in the field. Yes, I am in the field. So here have a lot of clay and mud. You just see, just clay and mud and working here full time. He came in the morning time and working. Look at Mamu. You just he is a shy because local brother. Another person will wish to, and here is also our local brother. Yes, but they are don't show their face. They are shy. So you see, this is our Korean brother. You already know him. So everyone working here, and you see this is spread is so good, and you just see this is spread is looking so beautiful, and this is called a prairie. But what is this called? Like what is this called? This is called a straw. Yes, a straw without prairie, and this time it's called a straw. Straw is very good because straw eat cow and a lot of person make another things like a fodder. Fodder are very useful for straw. So it's so good, and I'm very thankful because it's now time to farmer happy, but not happy because one labor price is almost 1,000 to 1,500 taka, so it's very cost. And but our Nadim brother is very amazing farmer because he just imagine 4 acre land he planted prairie. So it's so good. I am coming again to show our Nadim brother. কিছু বলেন।
কি বলবো ভাই, আমাদের এলাকার মানুষ এতভাবে পড়ছে যে মনে করেন কোনো লোক পাওয়া গেছে না, তাই আমার এলাকার ভাই বেড়াদার আমাদের সহযোগিতা করতেছে। তারা গরিব মানুষের পাশে দাঁড়াইছে। তাদের জন্য আপনারা সবাই দোয়া করবেন, তারা যেন সব সময় এরকমভাবে এই গরিব মানুষের পাশে থাকতে পারে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ, বাই বাই।
Thank you everyone. So please pray for them because they are working very hard in the clay and mud water. So thank you everyone.